Welcome back to Zen Jamaican Vibes. Today is a little different. We're having some fun today. A lot of people say sometimes they're tired of the sadness and the depression so today we're gonna have some fun. We're going to be cooking up in the hills of Santa Cruz with Mr. Clive Brown, who you know as the one-legged farmer. Yes, so today we're going to cook some curry chicken, and he's chopping up the chicken. And we're going to have some veggie on the side, some pop choy, some callaloo. We have sweet pepper, oil, carrot, garlic, onion and scotch bonnet. And we have bami.
Pop chow, bami.
And we're gonna cook it with some gungo and rice.
Big soursop this,
Oh yes, we have this nice soursop here that we're going to juice. Let me juice this baby today. Alright, so today we're just going to hang out. Yes, because hubby is the one who suggested it. He said, we should go down by Mr. Brown and hang out and cook some food and relax a little in nature and in this atmosphere here up in the hills. So that's what we're doing today.
Yes, Happy New Year to each and every one of you, Sister Zen viewers, donors and all of you. And I wish you all the best for the new year 2024. And I just want to say thanks to all who donate for me to get the leg. You don't see me hit you now because some adjustment need to make with it, so I don't do a pressure hit, but I'm so grateful for it. I've cherished. Trust me, right now we're there at the house, they're on the bed laid down asleep. So thanks to each and every one of you that helped me to get it. And I'm cutting up this chicken for Sister Shan. I'm just sorry some of you there so far and I can't able to get some of it.
Yes.
So one day we're going to come together and cook a big family pot.
Yes.
So just keep that in mind. Love you all.
Yes. So he's going to cut up the chicken while hubby and I are going to set up the fire and get it blazing so we can put on the gungo peas and allow it to cook. Right, so maybe we can set up another fire here, so we have more wood. So we can cook the curry chicken here, right over here, and then over there. On top of that big stone that you're looking at right there, we're going to cook the gungo peas. Alright, so come in, hubs. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna clean up this chicken now and curry it. Now leave out with Maggie.
Yeah man, I'm breaking up some brush if you put on if you catch the fire now. And when some parish people call this different other thing, we call it brang brushwood brush. A lot of people mistake it with breadfruit because we call breadfruit brush too, but in every parish you have a different talking. And St. Elizabeth people have special language because a lot of people love to hear St. Elizabeth people talk. So me right now I broke up the brush to catch the fire. That is the brush, this is the firewood. Without that one it's hard to catch this one. So you use the brush to catch a bigger wood. We call it brang brush and whole heap of names same way because other people that mention it to it as different name, but me know it as three names. Brush, brang and the little firewood them. These light the fire. Because if you don't have this, the fire harder to catch.
And I'm glad that you cleared that up, because when I did my cooking video in December, everybody was saying, no, Zen, that is not brush, it's breadfruit, that's all brush.
Man.
And I tell them, well, I remember my grandmother to telling me to go look some brushwood or brush.
Yes, man.
Yeah, they either say brushwood or they say brush.
Yeah,
and then we know that it's the smallest that you use to catch the fire.
Yeah, because a lot of time when I used to for my auntie yard, when I used to use firewood, Go pick up little brush you can come there, we cook up little food them also. Do it fast and come, you will get the most. Yeah man. I mean always run to go pick up a brush fast. Sometimes I just go where pimento tree them broke down and knock them off. If you come with them too big, them I say no, a brush me want. Go pick up brushwood can come, me have wood already.
Yes.
Yeah man, so you're right man. A lot of people call it different thing. Of course breadfruit name brush too, you know.
Yes.
Yeah man, and the whole heap of fruit name breadfruit name, then call it all coward fruit, cause then say you eat it, you coward. Yeah man, and
They call it mean fruit.
mean fruit, cause yes definitely, cause them no easy for job.
Like
Just,
star apple.
yeah, just like a star apple, cause them they prefer dry up on the tree more and drop. It's stem of a rotten before it drop. Yeah man.
True.
So now me put in the brush, me I go for the bigger wood them if you put on it.
Alright. So guys, this plant is called Spanish needle. A lot of people in Jamaica use it to feed like rabbits, guinea pig and so on. But I didn't know that it was edible until the other day when I saw another YouTuber cooking it. And I heard her speaking of some of the things that it's good for.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to
I put in the brush already, so these are the wood where you hold the brush. The brush catch all these wood and make them light fast. But without the brush now, you'd have to have some cursing nail or something else to throw upon this. This is how you do the pot when you don't want it burn. You rub the soap powder on it, rub it and rub it thick on it. That means when you burn it on the wood fire, it's much easier to wash back. If you just put it normal on it, when you take off it, you have to done all 2 dozen Scotch Bright on it. But when you do it like this now, rub the soap powder on it thick, it's much easier to wash off, less blackness. Yeah man, so you have to turn your hand and make fashion, you know, so that's how it is. Yeah. Fire. Pressure, you see how this shine? You once put it on the fire and you smoke done with it. Come in like a wood fire pot, cause your wood fire pot different from stove pot, you know. The wood fire one them black.
Right.
And this are the stove pot, so you rub the soap powder on it like this. It kinda keep off some of the blackness. So as soon as you finish use it, you just rub it off and it come back just like how you see it look like now.
Right.
Yeah man, so
You used to cooking on your stove.
yeah, you used to do this on the stove, so you use it on the wood fire now. You definitely have to rub something on it. That means that when you're done, it don't black like the chair foot there. Yeah man.
So I always tell you guys that I like to cut my onions long ways because it's less acidic than when you do it round. I only do it round when I'm doing like escabeche fish. Whole heap of garlic in our curry. No raw curry chicken around here, aka antibiotic. The onions, the sweet pepper. So this is the gunga that we're going to use from Mr. Brown. We have a clean jug of pipe water. Washing our sweet pepper.
What do you mind? You give that a bake and put on the gungo.
Yeah, mommy, I put it on. Well, yeah. So cut up the carrot. We have to put on the rice pot, the peas pot, because we don't want the fire burn out. You have to wash out the gungo. And you will see the ones that are not good settling on top. Any gungo not good, I go set up on top. Mr. Brown, you have one different type of beans in here too. Okay. Alright.
Name brand head.
Name brand head, name brand potted.
People watching it, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe this thing is the environment clean.
True.
Yeah, man, the environment clean right round and around. Press down. Keep it open.
That is on the sense.
Coconut, real thing to go in a rice and peas in. But I the coconut milk and give the rice the proper taste like how this you give.
True. Cut up the carrot now. What is it? Oh, that coconut look like it's too dry.
Yeah man, this one is too dry, so it's a leak.
Alright, so it's a lucky thing. We bring a backup. We bring we bought a coconut milk.
Yeah.
Yes guys, so we gonna wash the chicken, give it couple wash. I have my vinegar here. We're gonna use and wash it, make sure there's no rawness, and take off the skin and the fat and the unnecessary, unneeded things of the chicken. So chicken batty. Oh, you know when we're smaller we used to say rain a fall, breeze a blow, chicken batty out a door. See chicken batty here. We're not gonna eat the chicken body though.
No man can't put it.
Yeah, chicken body.
But we are picking him man right now. When you are picking him, you have to worry about that. No?
Chicken body.
How do you man send you fried jai then call it oil pan?
Ah,
Come on.
full of oil.
Yes man. You fry all crispy. Oh God. That's why nicest part when it was.
Ah.
On the wing, on the foot.
Oh my.
Call it oil pan. I know really chicken but you ain't call it no oil pan.
Oil pan. Alright, so you eat the oil pan. Me used to eat it when me smaller, but for some reason, coconut milk and I have no scallion, so I just have a job. Garlic man and onion. He's a video man, but not in the camera.
That's the connecting there.
So this is the seasoning we're going to use because, as we say, we never remember the scallion and the time, but that's how it go. We just have to improvise. Yeah, so we're gonna cut the bogle lime now. Even though we use the vinegar, we cut our rawness. Cut and clear. Cut and clear the chicken. Alright, catch some water in this for me now.
Oh, yeah, David. Huh?
Mmm,
Yeah,
very clean.
Oh, yeah, man.
Good evening, son.
Yeah, man, no good, man. My friend, they look the wood fire cooking. I'm a cousin son, you know.
Okay, alright. That's up, little youth. Alright. Oh,
Why, you know?
you smart.
Yeah, man. I got this student. I be whole heap of girl them done.
Ah,
See man on TikTok, man, girl.
ah,
Yeah, man.
you have TikTok page? Oh, okay. Yeah, manners though. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna use the Irish to make the potato salad. Probably gonna put the rice in the pot now. And Mr. Brown peeling the yam over there and the Irish to make the potato salad. Irish potato, that is. What you say, I teach him to cook?
Teach me to cook.
What you say, a chef?
Yeah, to my watch chef man.
Your mother and father bad chef?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, sir. Oh.
Blinky, you know.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Alright, sir. Yeah, man. So you pay attention when them a cook, so you learn.
Yeah.
You must bright at school as well.
But bright man.
Alright, sir.
Wonderful.
How are you name again? Pass bright, sir.
Yeah.
What your name again?
GT.
Okay, what that mean?
Huh?
What's the shortening of your name? What's
People call me Jati, you know.
Girl tip? What? No, sir. It's a GT. You just make sure you keep your head by your work. Make sure you teach some subjects at school too. Yes, because that soon come back in. When I look like it, but that soon come back in. No, sir. Alright, sir. Brilliance.
Yeah, girl teeth, man.
We're gonna season the chicken now. Rasta over there making the pickle cucumber Suriname style.
Yes, man, give me a recipe, man.
Alright, so we're gonna season up the chicken with some Maggi chicken and Maggi meat.
Yeah, come here.
Now we're gonna put in an all-purpose Maggi. I said Maggi meat, but it's all-purpose. Season the chicken the right way. We say clean cooking around here. Yes.
Show them environment and if they can lead on our way past a cook.
Yeah man, everywhere clean. Look there.
Yeah,
Clean.
right almost to work.
Almighty God.
Yeah.
Now tell you the recipe, but here Mr. Brown over there.
Man, a bad man.
Okay.
Give me the recipe, but then you want to pay me one away, me tell you.
Put my gloves. I am not a coffee, you know what I mean? People.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll put around from my dirt.
Yes, you have to clean when you're a thief girl.
Yeah, I said, this is like I'm looking at me there now.
Alright, sir. So you come back, you have to come back for some of your food in a duty.
Oh, my go for another way now.
We're going to put on a pot now and burn the curry. Now running a belly round here. We're going to burn the curry. Better pack. Real curry. So we put in our pepper and some garlic, but we're not putting in all the garlic because we don't want everything burned. Adding our chicken now. Look at that color, guys. Look at that. New pack curry. Okay, so everybody get curry. To me now, when I cook my curry, I don't cover my pot right away because I want any extra rawness that was left over to come out. You allow it to come out of the pot. You're not lucky in the rawness, you know? So when you cook your curry like that, your curry well clean, no belly pain, no belly ear curry around here as we say. Right? So just allow the curry to kind of fry up with the chicken and the rawness to transcend into the atmosphere instead of it being enclosed and shut down and you know everything keep in the pot. Sometimes you eat some curry and you wonder how it tastes so raw. You have to know if you cook curry still. But if you know, you know. Cooking poultry in general. So after I put in my water, I give it a little time, make everything transcend and boil up because the longer you take to put in certain season, is the more potent the season is into the end. You get all of the flavor, the onion, the garlic, the sweet pepper, the carrot in the end. And at that I want flavorful curry chicken. You know? So this is the soursop that we're gonna juice now. First thing we're gonna do is remove the skin. And this is how we remove the skin here in the country. Just like how you have bresche, bram, all kind of name for the small sticks that we used to catch a fire. You know, people make their soursop juice different ways in different parishes and different islands and different countries and different parts of the world. So you just use your hand to basically just peel off the soursop skin. So guys, I actually like to eat the soursop as is, but soursop tastes, it's like a little sour version of sweet sop. You know, it has this kind of semi-tangy taste. But when you juice it and make it the Jamaican way or the country way that we make it, with your condensed milk or your evaporated milk or your lasco like we're going to use, it is thick and rich and it just tastes like a shake. Yes. So now that we've removed the skin, this is what the soursop look like, and we are going to take it apart and remove the heart of the soursop. This is what you call the soursop heart, right? So we don't need this. Gonna discard, and then we're gonna use our hand, just like our elders teach us.
When you're a boy, then see the soursop heart good for boy with pee bed, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man, first time when you're a boy man, you could it show them mess up, you eat the same way, because it's a stronger part in.
Oh, so they eat it raw?
Yeah man, they eat it just like how it stay there.
Okay.
First time when the parents do it and anyone I pick me with pee bed, I then give them, because I remember say soursop good for your nerve, you know.
Yes man, yes.
If the bush you boil, because
Yeah.
soursop leaf are one of the best, you know. Yeah man.
I know it's good for a lot of people using it now for the treatment of cancer,
Yes.
and especially for the
Yeah man.
nerves. I know it for a long time for nerves, but nowadays, since recently, I hear a lot of people using it for cancer and other ailments. So we know soursop is good. The leaf is good. Every part of the soursop good.
Every part.
It's just that the heart is hard to juice.
Yes, that's kind of hard.
Yes,
And
yes.
the soursop like these are right natural, better than the one where people them buy and carbine it.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, when you right naturally much better, you have more juice and everything.
Yes,
And
yes.
most time when they have the carbine one, the hard bone, sometimes some part like good and some part like tough.
Right.
This is one you notice how you squeeze out that soft and it
Yes.
it easy.
Yes.
Yeah, because this is fit, natural and right.
Right. What we're gonna do? Yes, we're gonna add water and squeeze it out, and then we strain it.
Yes, my friends, Sister Shanzen viewers, she's doing the soursop juice, so I'm just adding the vegetable to the pot for the seasoning. Yeah man, you see how the curry chicken look nice, burky dog. Then you're looking at them pot here, you know, brother, trust me, when you know hungry, you feel hungry. Yeah man, and adding all these things to it, sweet pepper, onion, garlics. Man, you name it, watch them man. Burky dog. Feel like I all want teeth out some of the pot, but I don't want to know see what I do still. Honestly, trust me. And when your belly full and you do them something here, you feel hungry. Yeah man, and we are going to eat this with the rice and the bami. Different from where I cook some yam, same way. I forgot the pumpkin for put in the pot. It out of it for this season. Yeah man, everything turn up. I know nothing nice like the wood fire cooking. The stove can't give you the taste like where the wood fire give you, you know. Yeah man, cause the smoke and everything. Yeah. Trust me. Rice and gungo, yeah man. Rice and gungo well seasoned up with a nice seasoned pepper, onion, and a touch of every little thing in it, trust me. Them food they make your mouth look get watery when you see them. Yeah man, for real. And you see the greatest thing about it, the wood fire cooking. Give that different flavour. Yeah man, and if you notice, you know, they pan on regular wood fire, now one big stone like a stove. Yeah man, One burn a big stew, fire stew. Real man.
Promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen, the happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever green, and all your hopes and dreams will always be fulfilled. So I'll be coming real soon. Yeah, I'll be coming real soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold.
Oh my
and no one
God.
ever gets old.
So what's up? Nice and thick.
For that day,
Are you a van tonight?
take me home.
Oh, you get that part, the turkey dog.
I like that. It's a Christian bad
Gonna add our nutmeg. Grate our nutmeg into our soursop juice.
Take me out. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
Oh,
Take
the
me
food
out
is
to
ready.
California.
But we're gonna pour out the juice first. It's okay if some get into the
The day
eggs now and come out.
is coming to an end,
Use it a little bit.
and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while, I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old.
Come on, come.
I'll be
Get the real
longing
thing.
for that day
Oops.
till you come and take
Man, can't see if you real thing in idea.
Alright.
Man, real soursop juice. No, just one drink soursop juice. You drink it before you start the food, you're not trouble.
Yes, true.
Food first.
So everything is finished now. Of course, hubby did the sharing now.
Great, my friend. Wow, this is really a healthy meal. Thank you, Sister Shan. Oh, yes, that's true.
So yes, guys, this feast or this meal that we're having today is just to say, to rejoice for the help that Mr. Brown has gotten from all the donors, and we're just grateful for it, and we're very excited that he got his food. He got it in a very short space of time too, and in a few while he's gonna put it on, but there's some adjustments that need to be made to the food because of the hilly terrain here. So Mr. Brown is going to do the necessary adjustment. That's Mr. Brown in Montego Bay that made the food. But today we have to give God thanks.
Yes, man.
Before we eat, we just want to give God thanks for his blessings, what he has provided, and I hope that when we eat it, it nourishes our body and make us strong and fit. So As you can see, this is curry chicken. My hubby put some pop choy in there, and this is bami at the side, and we have yellow yam and mashed potato, gungo rice, and we're having soursop juice with it, right? I wonder if you remember these enamel basins and dishes. Real enamel, yeah. So we're just grateful for the help that Mr. Brown has gotten. And as I said, it was a short period of time. So guys, we really have to say thanks to God for allowing his story to touch so many people's hearts. And I want to say big up to Miss Elaine, because on the last video I should have shouted out Miss Elaine because she helped in the last part, and of course my anonymous donor from BC. Thanks to everyone who helped. Really appreciate your help from the get-go until now. Miss Elaine, who also donated some spray and stuff for Mr. Brown, even though after he sprayed it, it was a little late, and he's gonna tell you what happened to his gungu. But guys, we're gonna eat first and then we get into all of that because me hungry.
Yes, my friends. Yeah, man. Honestly, I have to cut a long story short, because you see when I have in my hand and you see the mouth water we are run. And I can't wait. So honestly, enough respect to each and every one of you that helped me to get the food. Miss Elaine that spray, give me the spray to spray the gungo. Much as it did spray late and the gungo them catch worm and thing, but next time I know things will better. And whole heap of blessing, whole heap of respect. We so talk to now. I just want to get this out of the way. Here, sorry. So nice the whole of time, fun.
Catch you eat this.
Nice one.
Yes guys, I don't want anything to fall out, so to fall off, so I'm using my spoon.
I write things to try some fish. Really, man.
In Suriname, they don't.
Nice.
They don't give you fork when you go to the restaurant. Like in Jamaica, how we give fork at the Jamaica restaurant. If you give them fork, like some of our friends came from Suriname, and they give them the fork at the restaurant, and they're asking, why are they giving us fork, man? How are we gonna eat rice with fork?
Even in Jamaica here, you know, you have a lot of people now use fork with rice, you know, because the fork can back up the rice wheel like the spoon. The spoon now you just shovel up, you just like when you...
Yeah man, you have to shovel up the rice. The fork.
Like when you're on site and have to cut the matter through an eye bucket. Yeah man, for real. Man, it's really nice, man, trust me.
Cameraman, you not gonna eat. I'm cameraman. You eat, man.
I'm a cameraman, a big chef, you know, than a building with your time, you know. The cameraman, I make the salad. Birthday dog, you got the one for this.
Oh, man.
Birthday dog.
We forget that the cameraman made this, oh my goodness. This is something that they love to use in Suriname. And we spend quite a lot of time in Suriname, so that's why you hear me mentioning Suriname so much. Before my daughter was born, we traveled to Suriname many times, and then after I gave birth to her, many times over, we traveled to Suriname. So we kind of pick up some of their eating habits. Big up to Ronnie Brunswick, aka Big Bravo, over there in Suriname. Ofa Waka. It's like Tani Boom. You want more?
Wow, what am I getting?
It's nice, not you? You love it, Mr. Brown. I tell you, say the body thing, man.
But real, man.
But we can't give away the secret.
You don't watch the shoes, man.
You don't watch the news, you see. All of them news. Oh. Cameraman say more in my plate. More boom.
It's good. Thank you.
soursop juice.
That's gonna make it nice, so.
Yeah, man.
So from now on, soursop juice with the vanilla rascal. Mm-hmm. So Mr. Brown, the food up.
Yes, man. The food.
Fully clean, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Ah, I hope our food better.
You look for the camera, you look for the food, look for the camera.
No, you did too. Yeah, this was up juice.
And soursop juice,
You
man.
did good at eating it.
The soursop juice that make me stuck. The soursop juice make me bug.
What juice? So juice you lucky have, man. That's why I prefer eat this one, I think.
Soursop juice really full up your belly, man. But you so nice, me I drink it and I realize it a full me up. Just finished eating and we're at Mr. Brown humble home, so clean, such a clean home. And Mr. Brown just put on his foot, but as he was explaining earlier, there's some adjustment that has to be made with his foot. So the foot will be returned to Mr. Brown to make the necessary adjustment. He was trying to keep it for a while and try to practice in it and see if there would be any changes, but it's still the same, so some adjustments will have to be made to the foot. Alright, so again, thanks to everyone who donated his foot. And I have a bag here for you from Miss Elaine. Miss Elaine donated some clothing to you. Miss Elaine from New Jersey, thank you so much for once again supporting the program.
Thanks a lot, Miss Elaine. Thanks a lot. God bless you, my sister. I really do appreciate these pants and shirts, both pants and shirt that you give to me. I'm really grateful for it, cause most of my pants them is like this. One foot cut off, and these are the first two whole pants me have now. I can just like me have my natural foot.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot. I really do appreciate it. God bless you. And may your storeroom may never empty. Cause no, this is not the only thing you give me. You give me the money to buy the spray for spray me gungo. You pay with fare and buy with lunch. You go if you maybe you contribute to the food. So thanks a lot. You're a darling. God bless you. Whole lot of love and blessing to you, my sister. May God increase your blessing and continue to bless you where you can bless others. And everyone that donated to me to receive this leg, honestly, I happy and I grateful. I grateful because I know it is not your fault the donor that I have to return it to Mr. Brown. Is he supposed to make some adjustment to it? But I really grateful for it. I'm happy for it. I love you all. Thanks. God bless you all. And I pray the good Lord continue to bless another so you can bless other people along the way, same way. Whole lot of love and blessing. I really do appreciate it. I really comfortable because a long time I not really can hear me and me only sorry so me never get to put on the pants and chicken no make no feel say me have me 2 foot. Yeah man, God bless. Whole lot of love and blessing to you.
What you said happened with your gungo now, Mr. Brown?
Well, the gungo now, you see, chew coming like it's spray late and it did plan to tick to. And a lot of people have the same problem with gungo this year, Gungo coming like you get a setback this season. Cause normally, even if you not take care of the gungo, you would have beer and so. And me brush out it, me spray it, me buy even some food spray we develop it with the out of the money my sister Elaine they give me. And trust me, it can never get for sell out time. But me still grateful, give God thanks and praise still for the help where sister Elaine reach out for help me to get it spray. But me have the land now, if you notice me I cut down most of the gungo them. So what I'm gonna do now, me I go plant some catch crop. You understand? And me I go need some help same way. So anyone can help me for if buy 1-2 bushel of peanuts and plant up the land. Cause them land here gungo not really much. Cause if you notice through the tree and the place cool. And yeah. and not really gungo land, because you can see the gungo tree them out there fine. Aye, so with a more comfortable with some peanut or some other catch crop. Yeah, man, and that's how I would want some help. If I be somebody where would I want me to work a ground for me and then where we can share whatever we get same way, cause you know if you work a ground you need more and so. Yeah, cause you know me do the work still and me we get somebody help me. I just want like the mole and the spray and so. Yeah, man, and the seed. And if me get all 1-2 bushel of peanut for plant, that would have be a blessing. Cause I know it would have work out better than a gungo.
Is it onion one?
Onion, honestly, we never try onion on it before.
But onion like elevation too, you know, so
Yeah.
cool.
What a plant.
May I give you some onion seeds?
Yeah, man, I would.
Somebody donated a few onion seeds.
I would be grateful.
Yeah, one of my friends who was on farm work in Canada.
Okay.
So I can.
Yeah, man, because I have the dirt soil, you know, where it can plant. So I would be grateful for that as well.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Any help to be pertaining to farming, man, because I decide for you notice say I not really can active in the footers yet, but the greatest of you have it. Because when you have it, ever since I have it with you, honestly, me feel comfortable. Because if I continue walk with the crutch with the same way, yeah, man, so I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful to you, Sister Shan, and your husband for the effort that you push to make me get this foot in such a short time.
Yeah.
Honestly, in such a short time, I never expect it would come through so fast. But me really do appreciate it. And I thank you and God bless you. And I pray God continue to increase your blessing. And I pray some good donors out there can see what you're doing and bless you too. Cause remember say what you're doing costs money to you know, cause if you drive around and do what you're doing a water run vehicle and your time you could have used your time to something else. You understand? And you alone, you and your husband, same way. So that's a great effort, and trust me, that is the real love. Because a lot of people talk love, but them not really show it like oh, you definitely show it now. And God bless you all donors. Continue to contribute to people's life. The Bible says it is better to give than to receive. And if you can help someone along the way, because God said anything you do to anyone on earth here, you do it to him, whether good or bad. So God bless you all. I love you all. Thanks. Whole heap of love and blessing.
Okay, so Mr. Brown will have to return the food to do the necessary adjustment, and then you can get some more practice with the food. So soon, I pray that you'll be able to use the food without using the crutch.
Yeah, because that's the time when we can able to do some work, if we do back some mason work.
Right.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So, thanks again, guys. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shans Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.
Love you all. Peace out. God bless you all. All the best for the 2024 and beyond.
So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.